Great evening in downtown Austin. Temperature still in the low 60s right now. It's going to get a little cold again tonight, though. The air is still dry. The winds are light. The skies are clear. All ideal conditions for cold weather on a late December night. 61 degrees right now by 8 o'clock tonight. Already falling about 10 degrees down to around 52. And at 10 p.m., 46. Headed to low temperatures again tonight in the 30s. Light freezes will be possible again in rural locations. 61 degrees in Burnett and 61 in Llano, 57 out in Fredericksburg right now. Our metro area readings, 59 out there around Lakeway, but low 60s most everywhere else. South Austin coming in at 59 too, and the same in Elgin and Giddings and LaGrange, all 59 degrees. Austin's officially 61. Our skies are clear right now out at ABIA, clear skies, and it is 60. Winds are northeasterly, averaging only 6 and 7 miles per hour. They're in the process of turning around to the southeast, or will be later tonight. That will mean a gradual warming trend for the rest of the week. I think you're going to like the forecast. Sunset 5:39 tonight. Mole count medium today at 344. I did see one report out of Georgetown with a little bit of cedar showing up in the count today, but none at Allergy and Asthma Associates. But it is that time. End of December is when we usually begin seeing cedar show up consistently and continuing into late January. So start your antihistamines now. 43 up in Amarillo currently. Not bad there. 56 in Dallas, 52 in Midland. That's snow melting away out there in West Texas, where they had half a foot in Midland, a couple inches in Lubbock, 10 inches northwest of Lubbock on Christmas Day. It was perfect, a white Christmas from the Panhandle all the way down to the Permian Basin, even down toward the Big Bend. Pecos, Texas out here had about 2 inches of snowfall. Ours was all rain, but we'll sure take it, won't we? 61 in Houston, 65 degrees in San Antonio. And this afternoon, there is not a cloud in the sky in Texas. Our last rain-making storm system has turned into a real nasty system up in the northeast. Now, it's mainly liquid in the warmer air along the northeast coast and the big cities in the northeast, but upstate New York back down into the Appalachians, it is changing over to snow at the present time. This is a significant change in the weather pattern. The jet stream has shifted now to the northern U.S., and it is going to, it's taking a little dip down here to the east right now, but it is going to remain with little disturbances in it, generally in this same pattern for the foreseeable future, at least the next 10 days to 2 weeks. When we get these little dips in the jet stream, we can see cold fronts coming in, but we're not looking at any more of those southern stream storms coming in on an active southern branch of the jet stream, and that may mean a significant drying spell into mid-January. Our wet weather pattern we've seen for 6 straight weeks appears to be over. We're going to talk more about that at 6 o'clock tonight, and we'll look into mid-January's forecast between now and then. But between now and then, tomorrow and Thursday morning, still cold in the mornings, but the afternoons will start getting milder and milder, and the afternoons are just going to be beautiful all the way to New Year's Eve. We do have a New Year's Day cold front coming. Tonight, low temperatures, well, you could fall to near freezing again, and 2 more cold nights. The afternoons tomorrow, though, afternoon tomorrow, mid-60s, and then a little warmer than that day after that, and then progressively warmer on to New Year's Eve. 37 in Austin tonight and clear. Let's go 66 tomorrow, and let's get you to that 7-day forecast because it is so wonderful. 68 on Thursday, 72 on Friday. Look at New Year's Eve, Saturday. You may not even need a jacket Saturday night for your festivities. 74 the high Saturday. New Year's Day, it starts turning colder, and then it's quite a bit chillier earlier next week. Robert.